What's going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Friday, October the 30th, 2020. The time is 9:28 Eastern. It's about a minute and a half before the market opens. And in front of you, I have two charts. We got the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. They are both on a 5-minute chart. I am trading a live account using one contract. And we're trying to do anywhere from 80 to 100 ticks, so $400 to $500. I just come into the market, get our money, and get out using a little bit of price action, support, resistance. And so, guys, what we've seen here is the overnight session. Market came up to this highs, and it just dropped all the way down here. Ever since, it's been coming just back up, so we kind of like an uptrend. So what we gonna expect the market right now when it opens is to see the next candle decides to come lower without breaking this low right here. Then that means the market will continue to go higher, or if it goes the other way and breaks this resistance, we have to wait for it to close, and then that's a continuation to the upside. We can take a trade from resistance, which will become support, but usually wait the first 5 minutes to see what the market wants to do, guys, and so we'll wait for a good setup. So with that said, guys, market just opened right now, and again, we're just gonna wait to see what it wants to do. See if it wants to break this resistance and close above it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and see what the market is trying to do, and I'll get you guys back when we are ready to take our trade. Alright, guys, I'm back. I'm in this trade. So what happened was market opened, came all the way up, and then it retraced back. Not the best entry. Wanted to do it at 1240, but we're already in this trade, so we just have to wait to see this retracement. How if it doesn't break this last one, and then if it doesn't, and then the continuation to the higher, to the upside is going to continue, and so we can expect the market to go. We're going to go to our. I'm going to go here where it's already been to 1280. So let's see again, if as long as it doesn't come down and take this low out, we should be good. And what I'll do also is, if this candle closes above, then I'll move my stop loss to break even. Alright, guys, we got stopped out. So now the market is going to come the other way. So I guess that was as high as it was going to get. So now what we're going to do is, if it breaks this, see, there it goes. Alright guys, so we're in this trade. So market came down, broke this support, broke our blue line. So we got it in right where these lows are. So it's a good indication that if it doesn't close above this lows, then we should be okay.
Target filled.
There we go guys, target filled. That first trade we took, you know, even though we were thinking the market will continue to go higher, but it just went to the highest point. So again, we took that trade, even though we were like on the green, like about $250, almost $300, as high as we're gonna get. So market came the other way, got us out. We had a 380 loss on that trade. So then we waited confirmation with this big candle confirmation, meaning the market is ready to go the other way. And so we waited for the quick retracement here, took that trade to our next support. We just got filled. So that was a good trade guys. We got our money back, plus almost hit our $500 trade for the day. So that's it for today guys. It's Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. If you guys are trading, be careful. I hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that every time we upload a video, you guys get to see it first. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.